Hello and welcome back to a new unboxing video. So a new package has just arrived today in the post, which is really exciting, and it's from Korea, and I ordered some colouring books on Etsy from Killcraft Books. So it took actually a few months to get here because of the pandemic. So it's finally arrived and I'm delighted, so I'm going to get it open. Ooh. Okay, oh that's nice. So that's a lovely extra to colour in. It's really nice. Oh, so we've got some cute little stickers as well. Oh, they're really nice. And they're on clear plastic, which is lovely. Beautifully wrapped as always. Oh, and there's some more stickers. I've got 2 of those. So the first one is Serenity by Anastasia Ellie Caldereva. So it's a spiral bound book and it's quite large, and the artwork from this artist is just absolutely beautiful. It looks like pencil sketching, so it's just left kind of grey and it's just so beautiful. I would love to do these on watercolour paper, but I can't print out on watercolour paper because it's too thick. My printer won't print on it, unfortunately. And because there's lots of pencil shading, I would only be able to trace the outlines. So I suppose I could do that, but I would miss out on all this perfect shading. I suppose I could just try and copy off this with watercolour paint. Yeah, I might do that. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, and I've only just noticed here, it's actually signed by the artist. It says, "Dear Rebecca, I wish you happy colourings, Anastasia." So I'm thrilled about that. I didn't notice that. So this is the Serenity colouring book. And there's this extra little picture as well, which is lovely. Oh, that is so, I'm so pleased about that. And then I've got another 3. They're all by the same artist. Okay, so there's the Nocturnes, Mysteria, and When Dragons Dream. Oh, these are so cute. I'm not a big fan of dragon art. I don't know why. I don't have anything against dragons, but these are so cute. Oh, these are really lovely. I'm so glad I got this. So it feels pretty smooth, this paper, so I'm not sure how good it'll be with coloured pencils. I'll have to test it out. Okay, so that's that one. And the Mysteria, just more girls done in a sketchy pencil effect, but just absolutely so stunning. So skillful. Okay, so that's Mysteria. And then Nocturnes. These ones seem a lot more detailed. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's my little mini haul. That's what's arrived today. Those absolutely beautiful colouring books. So like I say, I got these on Etsy, and I'll put a link below to the Etsy shop. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon, and then you'll get notifications when I upload new videos.